Tara Ghahremani, a girl from Iran, the land of Cyrus the Great, with 7,000 years of civilization and art. I'm a 13 years old santur and tombak player, and also a horse rider. I have started to learn music since I was 4 years old. I tried to keep daily practice and with hard work progressed in music and achieved remarkable success. From the beginning, it was my dream that a day would come which all the people around the world, not only musicians, will hear and enjoy the sound of Persian santur, which is the narrator of the history of my homeland. I strongly believe that the future belongs to those who are ambitious about their dreams. For this purpose, I planned and did some actions. In 2018, I collaborated with Baani, a professional band which employed child prodigies from across the world in We Are the Champions video clip. In 2019, I collaborated with Sir Milhomem, a great composer from Federal University of Brazil, in Persian tale Sun. In the January of 2020, I was selected as one of top 100 awardees by GCP Awards Foundation. This event determined me to strive for more success. And Between Two Worlds is the name of another common song with Sir Milhomem, which was released in the April of 2020. In 2021, Nomad Song was another common project with Baani in the occasion of International Women's Day. And in 2021, I played India's national anthem on santur and dedicated to India's cheerful and diligent people in the occasion of Republic and Independence Days. It got featured with honor and praised by millions of Indians, government and official news. Special thanks to GCP Awards team to choosing me between thousands of applicants from across the world to receive this prestigious award for the second time. A special gratitude to my parents, teachers, and all friends who encouraged me in my own country or even other countries.